Welcome! Today we are tackling complex number division for the ACT in Algebra 2. Let's jump right into problem 1. At first glance, you might tempted to divide straight across like this. So 8i divide 2i, you may have 4, and 4 divide 2i, you cancel out, you have 2i, and you choose C. Don't do that. Our goal is eliminate the imaginary number from the denominator here. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator by I. We have 8i plus 4 over 2i. We multiply I equals 2. Can distribute like this. So we have 8i squared plus 4i over 2i squared equals 2. Now replace I squared with -1. 8 times -1 plus 4i over 2 times -1 equals to 8 times -1 is -8 plus 4i over -2. We break it down in fractions, so we can simplify -8 over -2 plus 4i over -2. Now -8 divided -2 is +4. Positive and negative is minus. 4 divided 2 is 2i. And the answer is D. If you get it right, great job. Now let's try one that's a little more challenging. For problem 2, this time the denominator has 2 terms. Since it's a binomial, we can't just multiply by I. Instead, we will multiply by the complex conjugate of the denominator. Also, when you look at multiple choice, be careful on the test. 3 plus 10i over 5 minus 7i times 5 plus 7i over 5 plus 7i. Now let's multiply the numerator using FOIL. So we have 3 plus 10i times 5 plus 7i. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times positive 7i is plus 21i. 10i times 5 is 50i. And 10i times 7i is 70i squared. Now combine like terms and replace I squared with -1. Okay, so we have 15 plus 71i plus 70 times -1. So we have 15 and -70 is -55 plus 71i. Now let's simplify the denominator. When you multiply a number by its conjugate, the middle terms cancel. So 5 minus 7i times 5 plus 7i We multiply the first term here. 5 times 5 is 25. The middle terms cancel out, so we just multiply the last one here. So will become negative 49i squared. Now replace I squared with negative 1. So 25 minus 49 times negative 1 is equals to 74. Now rewrite so we can simplify for the final step. 3 plus 10i over 5 minus 7i times 5 plus 7i over 5 plus 7i equals to, the numerator, this is what we find out, is negative 55 plus 71i over, denominator is 74. Now we want to simplify, so we will break this down. 55 over 74 plus 71 over 74i. And our answer is negative 55 over 74 plus 71 over 74i. The answer is A. How did you do? Let me know in the comments if you get one or both problems right. Remember, our goal is always to make the denominator a real number. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe for more Algebra 2 and ACT math practice. Thanks for learning with me, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye!